What's going on, guys? We are back with another quick video, guys. I want to give you all kind of like one of these breaking news updates for you all of my OG channel watchers out there, guys. Y'all have probably seen me made a video in the past talking about Zillow closing down its iBuyer business. Well, guys, it's happened to Redfin as well. They have officially shut down their home flipping business. Apparently, they aren't making any money. In fact, they're taking massive losses over like the last couple years, I guess, and they didn't want to just keep those massive losses coming. So they shut down their home flipping business, and they are cutting 13% of the workforce. So let's check out this little article. This is from CNN Business. Shout out to them. So it says, like, let's see, Redfin is set to shutter its home flipping business and reduce its workforce by 13%, laying off 862 employees. Lord have mercy. And it says about 264 of those job cuts will be directly related to the shutdown of Redfin Now, the company's instant buying or iBuying business, in which it purchases a home as is, completes minor improvements, and resells the home on the open market. So they've decided to get rid of this guy. So let's see. Boom. Okay, so let's see. Redfin and other iBuyers like Zillow, you see, I talked about that, which closed its home flipping arm a year ago, have said that capital-intensive business have become unsustainable because they were buying homes at higher prices that they can sell them for, that they can sell them for in the future. Basically, companies like Redfin, Zillow, even like hedge funds out there, they've been purchasing up so many properties above market price. They've basically been dominating some of these markets by purchasing properties higher than what the actual asking price is and things of that nature. So they acquired a ton of inventory. I'm assuming expecting prices to continue to rise. Unfortunately, the end of the rise is here. We are now going down. So it says that, let's see, the cuts will reduce the company's number of lead agents by 9%, or approximately 197. And then it says Redfin said approximately 218 employees will have their role eliminated. Okay, but they are being offered a new role within the company. Okay. So boom, let's see. In June, Redfin laid off 8% of its workforce due to the slowing housing market. Lord have mercy. So they're just getting rid of everybody. Redfin is definitely not the best place to be working for right now. Shout out to Redfin. Through layoffs and attrition, the company said it has now reduced its total number of employees by 27% since April. Wow, that's just like barely 6 months, and that's wild. And it's like 6-7 months. A layoff is over. All right, so let's see. The June layoff was response to our expectation that we'd sell fewer houses in 2022. This layoff assumes the downturn will last at least through 2023. So that's a pretty interesting expectation and prediction from the people over there at Redfin. They're purposely getting rid of staff because they're not seeing the upside to actually continuing to do that iBuying process. Is very, very interesting. So let's see. OpenDoor, the leader in the iBuying market, cut 550 people across all functions, about 18% of the company last week. Lord, the reality is we're navigating one of the most challenging real estate markets in 40 years and need to adjust our business, said OpenDoor CEO Eric Wu. That's crazy. Lord, look at this. It says Zillow announced last month that it would be reducing its workforce by 300 people. Lord have mercy. Where's my sound effects at? Oh, hell no! That's crazy. These companies are literally going through it right now. It says the company said it's shifting its focus towards technology-related positions for which it is still hiring. When Zillow shuttered its iBuying business last year, it shed 2,000 jobs and eliminated a quarter of its employees. That is insane. So it says that iBuying is dwindling. And this has obviously been apparent. Even investor lift data is showing that the investors inside of Investor Lift are actually purchasing more properties than all of the iBuyers combined. Just the investors alone inside of Investor Lift are buying more properties than all of the iBuyers, which is very interesting. Things have changed. Let's see, iBuying dwindling. The iBuy model has proven difficult as buyer demand dries up and home prices, especially in very hot real estate markets, are dropping. Exactly. They can't sell these homes for as much as they want to, so they're stuck holding on to a ton of overpriced inventory right when the market starts to do a downturn. This is really interesting. All right, so let's see. Let's see. We've tied up hundreds of millions of dollars in houses that you yourself wouldn't want to own right now. Even before its overhead expenses, the Redfin Now property segment will likely lose $22 to $26 million. Lord.
What?
Lord.
What the fuck?
In 2022. However small our iBuying loss may be compared to others, that loss is still larger than we can afford to bear again. Exactly. They say that they tired of losing money over and over and over. In the third quarter, Redfin recorded an $18 million write-down of inventory as a result of purchasing homes during 2022 at higher prices than the company estimates it can sell them for, according to the company's statement to the SEC. Wow. Wow. Yeah, that's very, very interesting. It says a flawed business model. Earlier this week, analysts from Oppenheimer said Redfin's business model was fundamentally flawed, spurring the company's stock to plummet by as much as 17% to an all-time low on Monday. Lord have mercy. This may be a good time to go ahead and grab some Redfin stock.
Let's go.
You feel me? Go ahead and grab some discount Redfin stock out here. Let's stop playing these games. Let's see. It says that we believe that Redfin's business model, this is what Oppenheimer was saying, that we believe that Redfin's business model is fundamentally flawed as the company continues to use a fixed cost model for agents. Oppenheimer analyst Jeff, this prevents the company from optimizing margins when the housing market declines and limits share gains when markets rebound. Very interesting. Right. Redfin agents earn a base salary and then bonuses for every home purchase or sale they close. That's interesting. At a typical brokerage, the total commission is 5 to 6%. A seller using Redfin agent pays their agent about 1% commission fee and the buyer agent's fee 3% fee, which lowers the total commission to 4% for a typical home sale. Boom. Let's see. We'll be ridiculed for thinking they could have succeeded, he wrote, referring to the iBuying business and other projects that are ending. Having strained ourselves to the limit for a long time, we have acknowledged that even if we had the money to do more, we'll be happier and more successful doing less and doing it well. Hey, I hear them on that one. Hey, man. So apparently the iBuying model is a flawed business model. Apparently it's not working anymore. You know, a lot of these companies are having a hard time actually, working out this iBuying process. Zillow is shedding employees. OpenDoor is shedding employees. Now Redfin is massively reducing their employees as well. What do you all think about this, guys? Let me know in the comment box down below. If y'all like videos like this where I'm giving you all real estate news, kind of letting y'all know what's going on out here in the game, definitely subscribe to the channel, hit that like button for me, and definitely check out this playlist right here where I've got more videos talking about real estate news so you can stay up to date. All right, and until next time, guys, we are out.